Hello everyone, welcome to another intriguing math problem involving linear equation, perfect for beginners. Here is the problem. Given positive numbers a, b, c satisfying a times b times c equals 1, solve the following equation, that is 2ax over ab plus a plus 1 plus 2bx over bc plus b plus 1 plus 2cx over ca plus c plus 1 equals 1. Before you uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper, and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share your answers in the comments. Then we'll explore the solution together. Let's get started. Observe the denominators of the terms in the left-hand side of the equation. They are all different. We aim to modify them so that they become the same. Here is how. For the first term of the left-hand side, we do not make any changes. Just noticing that there is a common term in both numerator and denominator. Next, consider the second term of the left-hand side. We multiply it by a over a. Then we obtain 2abx over abc plus ab plus a. Since abc is 1, we write the terms as follows. Again, note that there is a common term in both the numerator and denominator. Finally, for the first term of the left-hand side, we multiply it by ab over ab. Then we obtain 2abcx over abca plus abc plus ab. Since abc is 1, we write the terms as follows. Once more, note that there is a common term in both the numerator and denominator. Using these results and rewriting the terms on the left-hand side as follows. We can factorize the left-hand side, cancel the common term, and the equation is equivalent to 2x equals 1 and hence x is half. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more exciting math challenge in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.